Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how I do my makeup on this beautiful beachy day on my vacation. So if you guys want to see how I went from this to hopefully this, then keep on watching. I did my skincare. This is like nothing on. A little bit tan to say the least. One of my favorite products in terms of skincare is, besides my cleanser and the toner, that I've been trying differently. This is my ride or die. I always go back to this. I don't think I've ever used anything new or different, but I always go back to the Josie Maran Argan Daily Moisturizer SPF 47. It's a protect plus perfect radiance. It does give you a beautiful glow from within, and you guys can totally see this. Just show you quickly what the consistency looks like. It makes me go from a dull, like tired face to like, she has a glow. Yes. Look at this and look at this. See that difference? That little glow. So I did let it sit for a little bit. I feel like I need something on my lips, and I just brought my Lano Lips Lemonade Lip Treatment because my lips need some TLC. And I'm gonna show you now what I have. I should do probably a video on what I have on this makeup bag, which is, there you go, it's a lot over there. So we're gonna start first with our Too Faced Hangover Travel Size. You will go to Sephora and they give you anything that's a sample. This comes in handy when you go and travel. So let's go ahead and add this. I like to focus especially on my T-zone. So for covering my acne, I brought a couple of things. This was my ride or die. These are the Morphe 2 Hide Peak Concealers. With my tan, this is definitely not gonna work, but this is what I looked like before. I've been using the Glossier Stretch Concealer. This was in the shade G5. This is what she looks like. This is a Morphe M421, and it gives you a lot of coverage, which I genuinely love. And I love this Kiko Milano magnifier in a regular mirror because I need it. Because you guys know that I'm blind. I have a little whiteheads and blackheads and acne scars, so I like to use the side of the brush and just do a little tapping motion and blend out the edges. You can see how instantly that covered. Oh my god, the magnifier is giving me too much reality. I also like to focus on my under eye because she needs some TLC, and also my eyelid, and I like to use my ring finger just to blend it out. All right, and moving on to the face, we're gonna set this concealer with the OS Turn Up the Base Foundation Powder, and this is in the shade Dark 4G. I am using my Cosmetics face powder brush. I'm just setting up basically in the area that I needed some TLC, which is around my mouth, you know, like concealer. Yes, so we're gonna go ahead and set everything up, and then as you guys can see, I'm gonna notice that I'm not really happy with the coverage. I like it, but I still see that, you know, my acne scars are still peeking through, as you can see. Hey Noja, she made an appearance. She's so cute, I miss her. Anyways, I'm gonna add a little bit more coverage on those areas. And I'm checking and I'm inspecting, and I'm like, oh, we need to add this up, and of course we need to go back with the powder and set everything up. All right, it's time to take care of these very sparse eyebrows that I have. I literally brought a whole pack of these disposable spoolies. I don't know why I bought 100 of them, but yes, I needed them. So I'm gonna be using my Morphe Micro Brow Pencil. This is in the shade Jabba, and yes, I'm trying to mimic brow hair strokes, you know, trying to fill it up over there. So yeah, just making the most out of it. I'm just gonna fast forward this because yeah, that's just me. And what I just did right now recently is I just want to make sure the highest part of my eyebrow, which is the arch, I kind of connect it to the corner of my nose, and you know. Now what I did is I just brush my eyebrows downwards just to see if there's any gap areas, and I'm like, oh yeah girl, you need to fill it out. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the other side, and you already notice the difference of the before and after. I don't have to say that much. Oh, maybe I have to say it again, because you know me, I gotta like repeat myself 100 times. Now that I have eyebrows, I mean, it makes such a difference. Oh my god. The excitement is real, Mariela. You can see it. Okay, we're gonna set these eyebrows with the M2 Brow Crush Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Blonde. Look at that teeny tiny little spoolie. She's so cute. I will definitely leave all the products that I mentioned on this video down below. We'll go ahead with the bronzer. This is the Morphe Brontour Celebutante. Yeah, I think it did get discontinued. For this, I'm only gonna use the matte shade because I already have oily skin, so I really don't need it. Actually, this is not the brush that I would use. I mean, you can use it if you want. I would use the Morphe M500. I love this brush that it got discontinued. I'm sorry that I'm using all these brushes or these products that are discontinued, but I truly love. I mean, you can use an angled brush. The options are endless. You don't have to use this brush, but this is what I love. A lot of people look at me when I use this brush like, how the hell do you use it? I love the Elite brush because it's a hard quality. The bristles are like extra soft. It just gives you a little more definition. Sometimes I like to put it here on the bridge of my nose. Now moving on to the blush. This is another Morphe product. This is the blush trio. It's called Pop of Peach. You do have 3 different shades, which I like because I personally sometimes like to mix all of them. You have a matte finish and you have more of 3 other different shades, or you can use it individually. So again, you can go with this angle brush. We're gonna mix it and you can instantly see the nice little glow that it gives you. It's not nothing crazy, but I like it. And when I apply it, I like to focus the blush more on this area from here up, so it gives me that extra snatch finish. I mean, you can, some people like to put it like, I mean, I would sometimes, not for nothing, use it right on the apples of my cheeks, but now I like to focus it more here. It's just my mood, but you can still see it when you smile, like, so cute. I do like to either use the blush color, the corally one, or I like to use the Celebutante bronzer on my crease all over the layer. So we're just gonna do this real quick, and I'm gonna apply it right here, just to add a little bit more color. Here and here, just a little something. For under eye, I do like to use a Charlotte Tilbury. This is the number 2. As you guys can see, I love it. This is a random brush that I just decided to bring top of the axis, and I do like to set my under eye. This gives you literally a flawless for picture time. Oh my god, it's amazing. Boom. Do I look put together? I think I do. This is the Complexion. I mean, honestly, you could easily go with a concealer that is similar to your complexion. Set it, if you want to set it with the OS outer foundation, just so you don't use the liquid foundation, because I know sometimes it could be a little bit extra. This is buildable, which I really like. I like the finish, how it looks. I would go ahead and probably add mascara and maybe a liquid lipstick. I used, let me see what I can have right here. How dare you? Where is she? I don't have it, but it's a Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's a liquid lipstick. I brought a red one because why not? I'm on vacation, so if I just want to feel extra, focus on the skin and have a little pop of color, I would definitely use this. This one is one of my favorites. It's called Red Rum. Love this. And I bought another one. It was more of a peachy. I think it was Thick and Thieves. I think I took it when I went on dinner. Yeah, it's not here for sure. Oh well. I would use some mascara. I got the Morphe Beautybymariela mascara. Now the bristles of this gives you amazing lengthening and volume. The only thing, and hopefully in the future Morphe can come up with a waterproof mascara. Can I talk and apply my mascara at the same time? Not really. But look instantly how this eye is more wide open than this one. Just gonna go ahead and do the other one. This would be another makeup no makeup look. I did forget to bring a lip oil, but you know what, just sometimes you have to work with what you have. I am gonna get going because the weather and the wind and my friend are waiting for me outside, and I need to hurry the heck up. So if you guys want, I can definitely show you what I have on my makeup bag. I honestly use probably 20% of what I actually bring, and I'm actually very surprised that I didn't carry that much stuff, because usually I would need a lot of options. but I'm proud of that. So that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know down below what is it that you take on vacation on your makeup bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and until the next time, I'll see you on my next video. Mwah. Besitos.